The QA assessment window is where most QA work happens. The top area shows the QA mode and your item position. The center media stage shows the image or video. Use the arrows to move between items. For images, the stage can show annotation boxes. For videos, it shows the video player and playback controls. The inspector on the right shows annotations, categories, category descriptions, examples, review and QA status, and final actions. Every item must end with either reject or approve. Until you click one of those actions, the item is not fully assessed. Reject opens the log defect window. Choose the defect type, severity, optional issue category, and write a clear note. Then click Log Defect and Reject. Options for log defect vary with the media flow type of the dataset. When reviewing videos, you have the following options. Choose Incorrect Category when the reviewer selected the wrong category. Choose Missed Dataset Rule Violation when the reviewer failed to identify a dataset rule violation. Choose Missed Unnatural Content when the reviewer overlooked malformed objects, unnatural movement, or unnatural events. Use Missed Category Ambiguity when the reviewer failed to flag an unclear classification or an action that changed midway. Choose Missed Overshadowed Category when the target behavior appears only briefly and is overshadowed by other content but the reviewer failed to catch it. Use Other Review Quality Issue only when none of the more specific review or output defect types apply. When reviewing images under the annotation-driven flow, Missed Overshadowed Category is replaced by Missing Annotation. All other options remain the same. Choose Missing Annotation when the reviewer failed to annotate a required object or region.